gentlemen, today we'll be recording a video of Battle of Warships. Player name's not right now for some odd reason. There we go. There's my name. My name's up there. That's not my actual. That's my gamer name. Don't question it. I know my YouTube name's The Beast OK, but my gamer name's Gaming Pro. My YouTube channel name used to be Pro Gaming, but changed all that. $100,000. So today, I'm still debating if we should do the Bismarck or the Yamato. I'm gonna do the Yamato. Yeah, let's do the Yamato. Right now I'm offline, so it's gonna be playing against bots. So yeah. Wait, hold up. Let's do one match with bots. Technically, the ship is not... The ship is as good as the man that plays it. Which, I'm decent at the game. That's mainly because I have a big, powerful ship on my side. But my older brother, Hunter, which we may or may not get in some of our later videos. Do not know, but we almost hit that guy. He is lucky. Oh, he's too far. He's too far inwards. Damn at him. Okay, there we go. Just to show how many shells I have. Fire the teammates since I can't fire at anybody else right now. That's my destructive power. And this dude's about to get wrecked. Get out of the way. Corn just because. I'm turning the media all the way up so y'all can hear it correctly. Oh, crud. So now the interceptors are putting down torps already. Yeah, what is this? That's a Fletcher. Getting scared, guys. The Yamato has one problem with her. Only have one problem with it. And that is torps. Torpedoes is its main weakness. Just totally missed that Fletcher. And I'll just come around at him next go round. And let's see. See if we can get any good damage on him. Oh, what the heck? Oh, he's got torps going his way. Oh, I got somebody else firing at me. It's another Yamato. We're going to take a good bit of damage from him, that's for sure. Yamatos have very powerful shots. Ooh, that was a pretty good shot. Yeah, we're not going to catch him. He's too fast. He's going to run this rock door where I still can't get him. So let's turn around. We may hit the reef there. Yes, grit. What the heck? How was I in... Oh, God. Let's hopefully not get hit by any of these. Ooh. There he is. Not even trying to... Ta-da! That's how powerful this ship is. A whole side shot destroys that Fletcher. And no, it wasn't because he had already had previous damage on him. It's just, this ship is just so OP. It's not even funny. Who in the world just fired at me? Oh. I'm being peppered by this Shimakaze. Kizzy. That's the only way I know how to say it. McCraney. The bot names are so retarded. Oh god. Change direction, change direction. Oh god. This is why I think Torps are so OP. Instantly, it does that much damage to this big of a ship. One of my flaws. That is bullcrap. And ta-da! More Torps headed my way. And then this Dutchland needs to leave me alone. Wait, let me make sure I'm going the right way. I was going the wrong way. What the? I'm gone, guys. Now y'all can see the retarded OP power of Torps. Aircraft carriers suck. Okay. Just got enough to repair my ship. Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick. Okay, guys. After a couple minutes of trying to connect to Wi-Fi, I finally got some Wi-Fi. We don't have enough platinum to open any good storage containers, so let's go back. Let's see what else we should do. Let's do one online match with this ship. Apparently, the bots are level 1. But they're so OP, it literally gives you a challenge. So, let's go online. Let's see how we fare against normal people. Not no OP bots. Let's hope these odds are fair. We better not have another 6v7. I'm always 6v7. Thank the Lord. And they don't have any. They only have like one ship. One or two ships that can put torpedoes out at me. Let's do this. There's a... Oh god, Montana. Once again, I'm the strongest ship on the map. Okay, so... I don't know if you want to strategize this or just show what a noob would do. I'm nowhere near a noob, but let's try. We'll show off my power to him. This is you going against you, brah. Deal with it. Okay. This ship, like any other battleship, any other cruiser, any other destroyer, any other ship in this game, has two different shells. High explosive, which are the red shells. Armor penetrating, which are like yellow, which is just signifying it as being, oh god. Go straight, go straight. Only good till only two hit us. Yeah, I'm about to like retreat because let's see what's over here. Oh god, this is so hard. It's an Admiral Harper and a Dunker, blah blah blah, and then Montana's like straight out front. What is this? Oil serving, those are easy to beat. This over here is a Yukazi. Ooh. Let's get him out of the picture. See how quickly we can get him out. Because Yukazis can set torpedoes down, which we do not need at the moment. No torps for me, please. No torps. Cannot shoot at him. Like, if he was a bot, he'd go out of his way to shoot, just shoot me. Which direction is he going? Did it just get shot at? No, but... God, Oh, he thinks he's gonna be smart. Trying to yoink me, but you can tell which direction he's going by looking at the map above the screen. And now, just sit here and wait for this this dude to realize that, oh crap. Looky what is right here. There he is, the Yukazi. Yeet. He's like, what the heck just happened? I don't know what the just happened, but I don't really care. He's about to put down some torps. He's gone. And no torps were put down in that process. We're Gucci. And then we got all these ships over here. Got the right there. I cannot pronounce his name, sorry. Boop 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 boop. They're like, oh crap, there's a motor right there. I'm not even trying to aim right now. I'm not even trying to destroy him. But he's gone. And then he's over serving. Put down this. Just missed him. It's over here. Absolutely nothing. All of the challenges are over here. Let's wait for this Montana to surface. There he is. So we got a destroyer and a battleship left. God, they're both firing at me. I done made it 5v2, so we're good. We might die, but at least we'll win the match. When you win, it gives you 50% more. But it's still a kill. Yeah, it kind of sucks. Like in this game, it's so easy to steal other players' kills. It's not funny. Kind of sucks, though. But it does give the low-level players a chance to get a higher level on their ship. Why is Admiral Harper facing me? Like, he wants to kill me. But, not gonna happen, my dude. Ah, you dick. Ta-da! One good match with the Yamato. Let's repair. See what all we have. We got 70 platinum. Ah. Sorry, I just dropped my phone. We got 70 platinum.